Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to say thank you for joining our discussion, and our today's discussion will be about how the roles and function of the mass communication have impact to the development of Malaysia as a developing country. Let me introduce Mr. Am as our first panel, Ms. Aini as our second panel, Ms. Guna as our third panel, and Ms. Fahaiza as our fourth panel. First of all, we need to know what is communication. Communication is a process of communicating information and being processed or received to the sense to the brain. Communication is aimed about the phenomenon of the process, the nature, and also the impact of community interaction. Communication is a process to convey our message to person or others, and message that produce response is referred to as the communication. Alright, then I will ask Ms. Zaim as our first panel. Okay, what is the role and function of mass communication actually?
Thank you for asking the question. When we talk about the role or function of mass communication on how to inform society through message, one of the role communication is to inform the society. That's mass communication as civilian of our society. It will help people who are seeking information. At the same time, people will realize what are the current issues that they need to notice. Besides that, society are relying on mass communication for news, information, current issue, and others in our daily life. For example, any information regarding on outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic will be broadcast live daily on television.
Alright, thank you for information that has been shared just now. So how about Ms. Aini? Would you like to add anything about it?
The other important function of mass communication is entertainment. Entertainment is a kind of performance that provides pleasure to people. As people are struggling and facing problems, entertainment is a must as it creates a leisure activity. Mass media fulfill this function by assist in reducing tension to a large degree. Today's entertainment contains various programs with various genres in order to fulfill the satisfaction of society. For example, movie, music show, drama, educational programs, and others. We rely on media to take us places we could not afford to go or imagine and make us laugh, think, or cry.
Alright, for Ms. Puna, I would like to ask what is the positive impact of the implemented roles and function of mass communication to the development of Malaysia?
Well, thank you to the moderator. Actually, there are many positive contributions of mass communication to the development of Malaysia. First and foremost, mass communication is like a boost to earn more profits and give benefits to the Malaysia by economically. Most of the people are settle all their transactions and make purchasing activities via social media. Social media is used to sell most of the products such as cosmetics, wearing products, gaming products, and so on. Selling products in social media is led the people to do their own business in online, and at the same time many people are make purchase on it. So economically, Malaysia can improve and develop by using mass communication as well.
Alright, thank you, Ms. Blue. Next, I would like to ask Ms. Faiza, as our fourth panel, what is the negative impact?
And thank you to the moderator. We conclude about the negative impacts of mass communication. The negative impacts of mass communication is high tendency of illegal information. On the flip side, the mass media such as internet allows relatively easy access inappropriate material. So the mass communication also can be used for disinformation and hate. So how do you guys know that what you guys see or hearing from mass media is true? By some source of information more trustworthy from others. Totalitarian regimes have used mass media for nearly a century to control what their people believe. With the rise of the internet, even those in democracy can be easily exposed to media designed to drive us to hate or believe in lies.
It is indeed that mass communication plays vital roles and function to our society. Also, it's inevitable that it also have the positive and negative impact to our society. I'd like to say thank you for joining our today's discussion. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.